Hey beauties, welcome back to Bella Blend. Summer is here and it's the perfect time to talk about one of the most important aspects of our skincare routine. Sun protection. Sun damage is no joke. It can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, sunspots, and even skin cancer. But don't worry beauties, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to share my ultimate guide on how to protect your skin from the sun using some of the best sunscreens out there. We'll cover products from top brands like La Roche-Posay, Neutrogena, LTMD, Supergoop, and more. I've got a variety of options for you, from lightweight formulas to mineral sunscreens, so you can find the perfect match for your skin type and lifestyle. Let's get started. First up, we have the La Roche-Posay Enthusiast Melt-In Milk Sunscreen SPF 100. This sunscreen is a cult favorite, and for good reason. It's a fantastic choice for those with sensitive skin, like myself, because it's formulated with gentle ingredients that won't irritate. This sunscreen offers broad spectrum protection, which means it protects your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. The La Roche-Posay Enthusiast Melt-In Milk Sunscreen has a lightweight, milky texture that melts right into the skin, leaving a beautiful, non-greasy finish. It's also non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores or cause breakouts. It's water-resistant for up to 80 minutes, so you can enjoy your time in the sun without worrying about reapplying every 5 seconds. This sunscreen is a little pricier than some of the others on this list, but trust me, it's worth every penny. I always make sure to apply this sunscreen generously to all exposed skin 15 to 20 minutes before going outside, and I reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or sweating. Next up, we have a drugstore favorite, the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 100. This sunscreen is a classic for a reason. It's super affordable and gets the job done. This sunscreen is lightweight and non-greasy, making it a favorite for everyday use. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky on the skin, which is perfect for those hot summer days. Whether you need SPF 30 for daily wear or SPF 100 for intense sun exposure, Neutrogena has got you covered. I love how this sunscreen absorbs quickly into the skin and doesn't leave a white cast, even on my medium skin tone. The Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen is also water resistant for up to 80 minutes, making it a great option for swimming and outdoor activities. If you're looking for an affordable and effective sunscreen that won't break the bank, the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen is an excellent choice. Let's move on to another favorite, the LTMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. This sunscreen is a holy grail for those with acne-prone skin. If you're struggling with breakouts, you know how hard it is to find a sunscreen that won't clog your pores or make matters worse. This sunscreen is formulated with niacinamide, which helps to control oil production, reduce inflammation, and minimize the appearance of pores. It's also fragrance-free and oil-free, so it won't irritate sensitive skin. The LTMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46 has a lightweight, almost serum-like texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving a matte finish. It's perfect for wearing under makeup because it doesn't pill or leave a greasy residue. If you're looking for a sunscreen that's specifically designed for acne-prone skin, the LTMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46 is definitely worth checking out. Now let's talk about a sunscreen that's completely invisible on the skin, the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. This sunscreen is a game changer. If you hate the white cast that some sunscreens leave, especially on darker skin tones, this one's for you. It's completely transparent and works on all skin tones. The Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen has a unique velvety texture that feels like a primer. It glides onto the skin smoothly and leaves a soft, matte finish. It's also packed with antioxidants like red algae extract, which helps to protect your skin from environmental damage. I love wearing this sunscreen under makeup because it creates a smooth canvas and helps my makeup last longer. If you're looking for an invisible sunscreen that feels like nothing on the skin, the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40 is a must-try. Moving on to a mineral sunscreen option, we have the CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30. This sunscreen is a great option for those with sensitive skin who prefer mineral sunscreens over chemical sunscreens. This sunscreen is formulated with 3 essential ceramides, which help to restore and protect the skin's natural barrier. It's also fragrance-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic, so it won't irritate sensitive skin. The CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen has a creamy texture that blends easily into the skin, leaving a hydrated and dewy finish. It's important to note that mineral sunscreens can sometimes leave a white cast, especially on darker skin tones. However, this sunscreen has a sheer tint that helps to minimize the white cast. It's super hydrating and doesn't feel drying at all. It's also very gentle and doesn't cause any irritation. If you're looking for a gentle and hydrating mineral sunscreen, the CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30 is a great option. Now, let's talk about a Japanese sunscreen that's become a cult favorite worldwide, the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence SPF 50+. This sunscreen has a unique, watery texture that feels like nothing on the skin. It absorbs instantly and leaves a refreshing, cooling sensation. It's also incredibly lightweight and doesn't leave any greasy residue or white cast. The Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence is formulated with hyaluronic acid, which helps to keep your skin hydrated and plump. I love how this sunscreen layers beautifully under makeup without pilling or causing any issues. It's also great for reapplying throughout the day because it's so lightweight and refreshing. If you're looking for a lightweight, hydrating, and affordable sunscreen, the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence SPF 50+ is a must-try. Let's move on to another great mineral sunscreen option, the Aveeno Positively Mineral Sensitive Skin Sunscreen SPF 50. This sunscreen is formulated with 100% zinc oxide, which is a physical sunscreen that works by creating a barrier on the skin that blocks UV rays. It's also fragrance-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. The Aveeno Positively Mineral Sensitive Skin Sunscreen has a creamy texture that blends easily into the skin, leaving a matte finish. It's important to note that mineral sunscreens can sometimes leave a white cast, especially on darker skin tones. However, this sunscreen has a sheer tint that helps to minimize the white cast. It's very gentle and doesn't cause any irritation. It's also very moisturizing and doesn't feel drying at all. If you're looking for a gentle, effective, and affordable mineral sunscreen, the Aveeno Positively Mineral Sensitive Skin Sunscreen SPF 50 is a great option. Next up, we have a sunscreen that's perfect for those who love the outdoors, the Blue Lizard Australian Sunscreen SPF 30+. This sunscreen is a favorite among surfers, swimmers, and anyone who spends a lot of time in the sun. This sunscreen is formulated with zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which are both physical sunscreens that provide broad-spectrum protection. It's also water-resistant for up to 80 minutes, making it perfect for swimming and water sports. The Blue Lizard Australian Sunscreen has a thick, creamy texture that's easy to apply and blends well into the skin. It's important to note that mineral sunscreens can sometimes leave a white cast, especially on darker skin tones. However, this sunscreen has a sheer tint that helps to minimize the white cast. It's very moisturizing and doesn't feel drying at all. If you're looking for a durable, water-resistant, and effective sunscreen for outdoor activities, the Blue Lizard Australian Sunscreen SPF 30+ is a great option. Let's move on to a sunscreen that's perfect for those with sensitive skin, the Vanicream Sunscreen Sport SPF 35. This sunscreen is formulated with gentle ingredients that are free from common irritants, such as fragrances, dyes, parabens, formaldehyde, and lanolin. This sunscreen is also oil-free, gluten-free, and non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores or cause breakouts. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, and eczema-prone skin. The Vanicream Sunscreen Sport has a lightweight, creamy texture that blends easily into the skin, leaving a matte finish. It's water-resistant for up to 80 minutes, making it suitable for swimming and outdoor activities. It's very gentle and doesn't cause any irritation. If you're looking for a gentle, fragrance-free, and effective sunscreen for sensitive skin, the Vanicream Sunscreen Sport SPF 35 is a great option. And last but not least, we have the Sunbum Original SPF 50 Sunscreen Lotion. This sunscreen is a cult favorite for a reason. It's affordable, effective, and smells amazing. It's also water-resistant for up to 80 minutes, making it perfect for swimming and outdoor activities. The Sunbum Original SPF 50 Sunscreen Lotion has a lightweight, creamy texture that blends easily into the skin, leaving a hydrated and dewy finish. It's also enriched with vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from free radical damage. If you're looking for an affordable, effective, and delicious-smelling sunscreen, the Sun Bum Original SPF 50 Sunscreen Lotion is a great option. That's it for today, beauties. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, protecting your skin from the sun is essential, and with these amazing sunscreens, you can keep your skin healthy and glowing all summer long. No matter your skin type or lifestyle, there's a perfect sunscreen out there for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment below with your favorite sunscreen, and subscribe to Bella Blend for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time, and stay radiant!